It is raining and the sky is full of clouds. Emily goes to the market. She looks at the wallets on display. She likes a leather wallet. It is red and attractive and costs $25. Emily is a student and does not have much money. I can give you $20 for the wallet, Emily says. Okay, young lady, the shopkeeper says. Give me $20 and the wallet is yours. This is my good day, Emily says, holding the wallet in her hand, proud of her purchase. Emily goes to a cafe. She wants to buy a cup of coffee before going home to study. She sits down at a table and places her red wallet on the chair next to her. The cafe is cozy with a few customers enjoying their drinks. Emily orders her coffee and talks to the waiter. While she is talking, another customer leaves the cafe. Emily goes to get her wallet but realizes that it is lost. She looks around and there is a wallet on the chair next to her. It is not her wallet. The wallet is old and blue with some scratches. It is not her red wallet. Emily picks up the old blue wallet and leaves the cafe. Outside, a man approaches her. Excuse me, he says. I think you have my wallet. Emily looks at him in confusion. That's not your wallet, she says. It's not mine either. The man sighs and looks sad. I lost my wallet. It's blue and worn out. I thought I saw it with you. Emily looks at the wallet again and feels sorry for the man. I'm sorry, I didn't see it. But I can help you find it. Thank you, the man says, but I'll keep looking. It's my favorite wallet. Emily walks into the park to enjoy her coffee. While she is sitting on a bench, she sees a woman walking by. The woman is holding a red wallet just like the one Emily lost. Excuse me, Emily calls out. This is my wallet. The woman is surprised. Oh, I'm so sorry. I picked it up by mistake. Take this. Thank you, Emily says. Finally, this is my good day. Friends, if you like the story, like the video, share it, and tell me in the comments if you like the story. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for the story too.